Hard to believe it's already been a year. Time flies like an arrow. Fruit flies like a banana. Who knows who said that? Leave me a comment. Black Friday will be 1 year that I've owned the Bronco. Have you ever owned a vehicle that was so much fun to drive, that you enjoyed driving it so much that you would just take it out for a cruise when you get bored? My first Porsche was that way. And guess what? This is that way too. So 1 year, I've got about 7,800 miles on here. I have averaged out at 14.5 miles to the gallon, which is about 0.5 miles per gallon more than I was expecting. Ford makes 3 Broncos. They're all different. They all have different DNA. First, you got the Ford Sport, which is Ford's answer to the Subaru. Then you got the Ford Bronco, which is Ford's answer to the Jeep Wrangler. And then you've got this, the Raptor, which is just ridiculous. This thing is such a beast. So don't look at this video expecting me to compare the Bronco to the old FJ Cruiser. The FJ Cruiser was a 25-year-older design and manufacturing from another country. You can't compare apples to pineapples. 1 year, no recalls on this, no issues that I would need to go back to the dealership for any reason. 1 oil change. I've installed auxiliary lights on the front, which I don't think I've used yet. And I've installed a roof rack, which I have used many times, and I am still in the process of refining it. All right, so the Ford Bronco is 5 years old now. Recalls have died down. There's a buttload of aftermarket parts available that weren't available 4 years ago when you bought a first year model of the Bronco. Aftermarket parts are crazy now for this. So here's what I would suggest. Even if you're not in the market for a new vehicle, stop by a Ford dealership. Next time you got a few minutes to spare, go in there and drive the Bronco. Give it a test drive. Wild Track, Everglades, whatever the hell all those models are. And then go for a ride in the Bronco Raptor. This thing is a beast. You will love it. So test driving vehicles is like when you go to Vegas and you get a hooker for the night, for the hours is really what it is. It's like going for a test ride. It's always nice to know what the new models have going for them before you go back home to that old model, whatever you got in your garage. That's it, man. I'm out of here. Happy Thanksgiving. See ya.